Hey guys, it's your girl AnitraNi and I'm back at it with another video. So today I'm going to be doing an Amazon unboxing with the Cosiella nail art kit and the Mercedes 2000 nail drill. So I will be unboxing the Cosiella nail art kit first and I will be showing you from start to finish. So let's get started. First we have the instructions. It tells you pretty much what to do from start to finish. Then we have a thank you card. Along with the first package you have acrylic brushes, tweezers, you have 3 nail files, you have tweezers to put the rhinestones along with a nail cutter to size the length of the nail. Then now you have 12 glitter palette sets, which comes with 12 different colors and shades. Then you have 2 sets of coffin tips, one in French and another in clear. But some of the products spilled out, but we'll get back to that later. I really emphasize that because you don't want to be paying for a product that's spilled out and pretty much it's just wasted. So we'll definitely get back to that. So next package we have cuticle sticks. Then we also have nail separators. We also have an example of a finger, so I can pretty much construct my own nail and create new designs. We have a nail brush cleanser. We also have a nail remover case. And then last but not least, we also have the acrylic holders. And oh yes, and then we also have rhinestones that came with them, which is so exciting. Yes, they look so beautiful. Then we also have the nail extender. That's pretty much for when you want to use a natural nail and you just want the extension to, you use the acrylic to extend the nail to give it more of a natural look. And last but not least is the acrylic. Now I emphasize that very well because some of the products spilled out with the glitter palettes and I don't like that. You pay for a product, you want all the ounces to be inside of it, and apparently it wasn't like that. Now with these acrylics, they're packaged very well. They come in 3 different colors. We're gonna see how well it's packaged now. Oh no. Alright, so some of the product did spill, which is a no-go. We'll talk about that in a minute with Amazon, but in this color I see it's clear. It's in the color clear, and we're going to view it and open it. Some of the product definitely spilled out. Like I said, you don't want to be paying for a product that is just being wasted. So it's a little bummer. So the next color I'm showing you is in the color pink. Now with this color you can definitely do a natural pink look. You could do a pink French tip. You can do all sorts of designs. You can actually mix the glitters inside the color acrylics to give it a new beautiful design. Just the starter kit. And then last but not least we have it in the color white, the white acrylic. And a lot of this spilled out. Like I said before, I emphasize that with the manufacturer or with Amazon or whomever is packaging these things, that they have to be very careful and then or at least try to get a different kind of packaging because the product spilled out. So now you see from start to finish that everything that comes inside the Cosiella nail art C kit. And this is a very detailed unboxing because I want those who's trying to start up with their own nail channel to see what they're getting themselves into and what products actually comes inside, because Amazon doesn't do a display like this. So I definitely want to show my viewers what actually came inside, see what they're actually getting, see if it's actually worth it. Okay, so I will have everything in the description box as of what comes in it and the link of where to purchase it from. It's a very cheap set. It costs no more than, I want to say, $25. You get a lot of things in it just to start off and things like that. Now these are the actual 12 shades. I actually took them out the packaging so you can actually see what they look like, and you'll be able to mix and match and do your own creation with all the different. So now we have the Mercedes 2000 manicure pedicure nail drill, and first we're starting off with the instructions on how to use. Then next we have 10 different nail files, so we can switch that up with different clients. Then we have 30 nail drill bits for different shapes, sizes. Then next we have the nail file. I believe they're sandpaper bits. Then we also have the actual to-go pack. It comes with 6 different drill bits. And then now we also have 2 buffers, nail buffers. We also have a drill holder, you know, after you finish laying everything out and things like that. You just, so now I'm opening, since now I'm opening the actual drill, we want to assemble this together to make sure it's actually working properly. You know, you want to put all the adapters and channels into pieces in. So now that I'm untying everything, I'm going to start plugging things into the wall. So now you see me here messing with the actual kit. I'm trying to adjust to see how to operate it. I definitely should have looked at the instructions as I showed you in the previous video, but I wanted to see how to work it without doing the instructions. So I'm fiddling with it, trying to see if I got all the things going on, and it works. So now I'm showing you the actual nail band, the standing bands. Some of them are not constructed very well. Some of them are actually coming off, and it's not sterned enough. I actually now it's showing you the actual size of how big the actual 36 nail bit container is compared to the actual devices, so you can see how long they actually are. And I'm showing you the dials and the bits and the low settings to high settings, the potency to how fast it actually controls and things like that. So if you like what you see, if you like my channel, definitely like, hit the notification, and subscribe to my channel. Definitely leave a comment of what you want to see next, and I'll definitely provide that for you. Thanks for watching.